Yeah, so what we have to do here is that we have to make a right regular hexagonal prism. Side of base is 20 mm and the height is 45 mm. And what we have to do is the first stage would be that we have to know what is the initial stage, assuming the axis. And in this case, because you can see that it's clearly written that there's going to be an angle of 30 degrees to the HP. So what we do, we make it, the initial condition would be it is perpendicular to the HP. So the axis of this hexagon is perpendicular to the HP, and this is our initial condition, right? Here you can see easily that we've made this projection wherein the front view and the top view both are seen. This is the initial condition only. Now what we've been told in this example is that there is a corner making an angle of 30 degrees to the HP. So we make this angle of 30 degrees with the HP. So in the HP, if the angle is there, in which view would it be given? The front view, right? Now what we do is we completely reproduce this hexagon prism at an angle of 30 degrees, which in this case is written as 45 degrees, but it doesn't matter, this would be 30 degrees. Assume this 45 degrees to be written as 30 degrees. There is an error, I apologize for that. This step is the most important step in the entire question. If you see clearly, what we have done here is from all the points we've dropped projections from the front view, and we've drawn projections from the top view. So the projections from 4 and 5 will cut the lines 1 and E at a place which would be 5 1. Similarly, they would cut at DA 4 and 2 and 3 line at a place which would be 4 1. Similarly, we trace the points 3 1 6 1 1 1 2 1 A1 B1 C1 D1 E1 F1. All these points are placed properly. This, let me repeat, is the most important step. Okay, thank you. Now we come to the last step, which is joining these lines. While we are joining these lines, what we have to take care of is that which lines are going to be dotted and which lines are going to be straight lines. That means they are joined correctly. The dotted lines, as we all already know, that they would be the lines wherein these are the lines which are hidden from our view. The lines are actually there, but we are not able to see them. So what we will do is we will join 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1